Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I hope all is well with you. So that these updates that I felt like sharing with you, because in Nigeria, terrorists from Chad and Sudan are being caught, and people who share this happen to be those like the guy that I got it from his page is one of those who believe that Fulanis are innocent, that Igbos are putting allegation on them, that this and that, because this same guy, Udele, once sworn in presence of IPOB members, saying that any day he turned against Igbo people or worked against Biafran freedom, that his son or his children should not recognize him as a father. In recent time, we've seen some people who had, they have their own platform, and they use their platforms to propagate lies against our people, trying to put it as if Igbos are just using them to cover their crime. This afternoon, he made a post, talking about Ahike, cartels in Ahike in South Africa. So I saw that video. I just check out, because this is what he loved doing. He liked to demarcate our people. He loved to talk down on our people. He loved to present our people as if we are that worst race ever lives in this surface of earth. Many of you know his take, his stance when it comes to Igbo people and all that. So I'm surprised that he has the temerity to share this on his platform, talking about these Sudanese and people from Chad that are being caught in Nigeria live with AK-47. So we are going to watch the video. Then after that, I will then read caption from his handle, so you can then compare it. Not the same energy that he normally use when anything happened in Igbo land. If it were to be caught, if these guys were to be caught in eastern part, he will tell you that these are not. How sure are you that they are Fulani? How sure are you that they are terrorists? That this is Okechukwu from that his mother is father, that hunger pursued them from Igbo land and they run to north for survival, and they gave birth to this guy somewhere in the north. That the guy has something to do with Fulani or Hausa. But today, he is one, he don't even question the report. Don't worry, I'm gonna say everything. But before then, please do me a favor, make sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Now let's watch, because I want to do now.
This is AK-47 rifle. This is AK-47 rifle.
You are from which state? You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. You are welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Yeah? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Yeah? Sudan. Sudan. You are welcome. Yes, excuse me. You are from which country? Sudan also. You are welcome to Nigeria. Yes. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are Chad Republic. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Welcome to Nigeria.
Now you can see how the police officer is busy telling them welcome to Nigeria. Welcome to Nigeria. Whether they come from through back door or just imagine you that are watching this video. Imagine that you move from Netherlands to Switzerland with AK-47 through back door, not through immigration, protocols. You don't care. And the police after the arrest, while interrogating you, they will ask you where are you from. Say, oh, I'm from some place. Okay, maybe I'm from Norway. Okay, welcome to Swiss. Where are you from? I'm from Oh, welcome to Swiss. Like in Europe, imagine that. Is it possible? The answer is no. Let alone now that Nigeria is bleeding, the whole people, the whole land is bleeding simply because of the same people from the same, place, like jihadists. These are pure terrorists, original one. If they had, if they have crossed, if they had crossed in maybe to their or
You
try to get to their location or to their destination, they would have tell you that these are now from northerners, without you knowing that banditry, terrorism going on today in Nigeria is actually being, it is actually people that are being imported from other like Chad, Sudan, Niger, and Mali. These are the same people. The same people. They are not different. But you see the calmness in the security officer, Nigerian police. The guy that interviewed them must be from South, not from the North. And I will tell you why I felt like he's from the South. It's either it's maybe Middle Belt or Delta, like South, or maybe Yoruba man or Igbo man or Edo man, because the calmness and he's just trying to be kind to them to avoid being sacked or being trapped. Between two of them, who sounds like, so who did you notice fear in him? Is it these guys or the one that is asking them where are you from? I'm gonna play it again so you can just answer that question. When you hear him talking, look at the face of this guy and the tone of the guy that is asking where are you from. Both of them who sound who do you think that who has that kind of fearful spirit in him? Listen again. Pay attention.
Several rifles.
You are from which state? You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. You are welcome to Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay, you are welcome to Nigeria. Like he's been kind, nice, and trying to play, let's say, being diplomatic, being politically correct. He's just trying to be nice to people that you caught with AK-47 from another country. You are trying to be nice to them.
You are from which country? Yeah? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country?
The only thing that remains for this man is just to serve them food. That's the only thing that remains. People that you caught with rifle. Now let us see what Udele said here. Okay, after getting hold of this video, Udele is here trying to, praise the people. Or let's see what he said. Okay, because I just skipped it now. Let me go back to base. I want the write-up to be more bigger than this. That is why I have to, expand it this way. And Facebook is always like this. Once you touch it, there's a way you touch it, the whole thing will collapse. So I'm trying to get it back.
Very shameless.
Just a moment. Just a moment. I don't want to go offline. Where is it? It should be somewhere here, isn't it? It should be somewhere here. This is the video. So let me just read it for you because I believe it is more readable now than before. So what I will do now is to read that. If I increase it more, maybe it will scatter more because Facebook behaves somehow. Okay, it behaves somehow. Now, people from Chad and Sudan caught with AK-47s by Nigerian police forces. By Nigerian police force. They need to investigate and find out who set them and who set them, not who sent, who set, S-E-T, who set them. Is it time to find out who set them up? Because he said we should try who set them and who they have been trafficking these things to and send them to their creator. Okay, they should check who set them up, and they have been trafficking this thing for the trafficking this too, and after that send them to creator. We already have enough problem on our hands at home to be dealing with this one. Let them be used to warn others, because they will definitely hear. They will definitely hear. This is just useless write-up. Okay, you are trying to tell people to say, okay, they should try them and investigate them. Hmm? To know who said them, not who sent. Sent is SENT, but this one is SET. So maybe he's made a mistake. When you say set, you are trying to talk about people who actually, put them in this, set them up. Somebody set them up for them to, like, giving them this kind of thing for them to be trapped. No, I don't think that's what you want to say. But he maybe, you never can tell. He's a Fulani guy, so anything is possible. Maybe he trying to, be a kind of sound as if he cares for the country and all that. No, who deadly could be the one working with them. You get what you get the point. But he's not going to come out and made it known. Did you see him here talking about how northern politicians are the one who are doing this? And if this happened to be in the east, see the okay. Let me read one line. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines, right? Let's see if there's anywhere he talked about crime in the east. Maybe you can read more about it. But because he normally do that, he normally give a very huge write up about any insecurity or any attack, anyone that he felt that Igbos are involved. You know what I mean? He will go harder and talk about it. But if you happen not, just few lines, okay. You see this one? He managed to. If this one is it's not even as big as it normally puts. Okay, it's a bad day for the IPOB ESN. Forget about this criminal. Anyway, what do you think? What is your take about the whole thing that we discussed so far? I want to know what you think. The bandits from the Chad, people prefer calling them terrorists. That's what I prefer to call them, because that's what they are actually. That's exactly who they are. Nigeria is a country who claim they are sovereign nation. They protect their boundary and their territory. But since 2015, that APC open border, Fulani people are penetrating into Nigeria through northern parts, through Chad, Niger. Like, they have flooded the country with a huge number of them coming with rifle to jam with the one they supply in the, that they have direct supplier in the country, of course. A few days ago, a video of private private aircraft, people call it private jet, military one for that matter. It was alleged that it comes from that is from Turkey. That Turkey are the one, Turkey government or Turkey officials are the one funding and supplying those equipment with Iran, of course. This is what people are alleging. But the truth of the matter, you cannot write it off, because that's what they normally do. That is a common thing for them. Would they even admitted that they not have enough problem at hand? That should let you know. That should be an eye opener to those of you that are still in doubt. Anyway, the choice is yours. If you refuse to do what you're supposed to do on time, anything can happen. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you and take care of yourself. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.